Today I will help you how you can using Loco plugin to translate uh, our web item from GoodLayers team. Uh, so I will using traveltour to demo for you so you can see how I can using Loco plugin to translate on the text in this time. Uh, I have installed Local translate plugin here. So now I will start to translate hamstring. Oh, yes. We will need some string to translate it. So I will okay. I will show you the for 0 for by here. I had not full. Oh, sorry. I need change my language style in the back end. I still want display English, so I will change it in user panel. Yes, uh, here the language in under user profile here. I will try the English, uh, but not style default because I want the backend will always in the English language. So it's good to go now. Yes, you can see it works immediately. Uh, with the theme, I think it use easy and simple, but I want to create this video because I want to show you how you can use the local to translate our plugin like to master, good layer core, and so on. I will try translate the to master. New language. choose the language again. Oh, okay. I want airplane in here a little. In the child location, you can use in auto. It will play the translation file in add the plugin to master language. Uh, but if you want translate the backend, you will need using uh, other option and using language plugin. It will uh, location the translation in the workbench content folder, uh, language folder, plugin, and so you can change the state in the back end. I will uh, lay it in here. Okay, I have. Okay, here I will translate the dashboard test. Yes, you can see it change immediately now. Uh, yes, we will go to the tour. In I will try translate the browsing booking test. Yes, it work now. Oh, yes, it is a little bit um video to show you how you can translate the uh, English language to other language. But if you want translate the uh, English language uh, from like you want translate the edit profile to a profile only, yet I will show you the way here. First, you need translate the language style to English. Now we will translate again. Yes, we will translate again. As we will add new language. Yes, try English, and I will still try the location in language plugin. Yes, I will try change the edit profile. Yes, you can see the edit profile will change immediately to profile. I will try again the signal to log out. Yes, you can see it show me the log file now. Yes, this is the end of this video now. I hope you can enjoy and have something useful for you. I hope you can subscribe, like, comment, and share my video to support for my channel. Thank you and see you again in other video.